sufficient this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper.
Hey guys, Brian with Dalinghaus Instruction here. All right, so now we're gonna get into it with going with homeschooling with our kids or online schooling with our kids. Just so you know, you're not alone. My kids are doing the same thing. We have 3 of them. It's definitely a transition period for myself, more so my wife, and also the kids. One thing that you have to keep in consideration that it's new territory for you and for them. They've never been really put into this situation with having to learn from a computer versus being in front of a teacher in a classroom atmosphere. So there's going to be a transition period. How long that takes is entirely up to your kid and to you on how quickly you get into a routine.
5, 6, 7, double touch.
Being able to hit punch list items at certain times for the day. Once you guys get into that routine, it'll help smooth your transition a whole lot easier and make your kids more aware of the deadlines and the discipline to be able to do so. We do the same thing with our employees here. Give them deadlines with projects, things of that nature. Whenever we introduce something new, we add a little bit of a buffer just because we know that learning curve can vary for each individual employee, just like it's going to vary for each individual kid. Hopefully that helps. This is Brian's educational tip of the day.